everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Joy. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are most welcome. Today we'll be talking about how to whiten your teeth, how to have a white teeth. In some cases, some girls, some guys, they have this brown teeth that it's very hard for them to open their mouth in public, to even laugh, to even smile with people. So this thing is really challenging for so many ladies and so many guys out there. So today I have a solution for you, which this natural ingredient will help you whiten up your teeth. It will give you a clear teeth and a whitened teeth, and that you can smile outside with your friends. So please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your loved ones, and with your family. Please stay tuned, don't go away. So guys, I will be needing my baking soda. So this is my baking soda. I will be needing my baking soda and my lemon. So it's very simple. You take 1 spoon of baking soda into your plate, and you cut your lemon. You will squeeze the water inside the baking soda. So you stir it together. So guys, that is the baking soda with lemon. So you just dip your brush inside. You do this every time, every day, 2 times a day, morning and night. So I'm just showing you. So guys, you repeat this 2 times in a day, morning and night. You keep on doing it. In 1 week you start seeing results. So this video is really helpful. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your family, with your loved ones. And thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I really love you. Thank you so much. Love you. See you in the next video. Bye.